Look at that baby. Isn't she the cutest? Oh, look at her. Look at that cute baby. Do you love her? Do you love her? Oh, she's so cute. She's the sweetest baby. Did you tell her you like her? I like you, baby. You're the cutest baby. The best news is, Madeline, it's you. Oh, wow. Look at that cute baby. What do you say? Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. We better get you a full-length mirror in your room. Luckily, Mommy has one in hers. Whoa, whoa. Getting a little too excited. Just trying to figure out how to get to her. Isn't she cute? You love the baby? Oh, baby, I just want to touch you.